Had this moisture tester come in, figure out what's wrong with it, and all of a sudden, out of the bottom comes Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse come out of the bottom. Poor little guy got trapped in there and croaked. But anyway, we'll get rid of him. Yeah, poor Mickey Mouse. There. And so, after about an hour screwing around, I found he must have got up there and broke one of the wires off the coil. So I'm going to fix that and see what happens. And just like I say, right now the old meter, no matter what you do, it doesn't move at all. It's just stuck in the center. So we'll see what happens.